Yes, people, welcome to TTRHQ Saturday night at the movies. We've had a little trainer toss today, and in the words of the master, I've been doing it my way. So, being TTRHQ, there's a couple of blips along the way. We went down for the basketing at 8:30 this morning, put 19 birds away. Got a phone call at 9:05 to say, "Where are you?" And I says, "Well, what do you mean, where am I? I've done my hours. What are you phoning me for?" "No, you agreed to do overtime on Saturday. You're due in at 9. So, being the job I do, I had no option, I had to go. So I haven't seen any of my birds come in. And what's more, I never set my clock either. So, Saturday night, the shit shed is going to be total transparency racing. I'll take you around the shed, we'll have a look at the clock, see what's clocked, and then I'll go around the shed and see how many of the 19 actually come back, rather than what Marge said come back. Because her big cloud wasn't quite as big a cloud as I've been hoping for. I think it was maybe about, well, it was good. It was 7 or 8 birds drop in half an hour, which I'm very pleased with. But we need to go and see what's missing. More to follow. Ching ching. Right, so this might be a bit laborious, it might never get filmed. So anyway, first in the clock is 2332. 2332. Check. Number 5 in the clock. Oh, lovely wee hen, that, love her. 2311. She's a goer. 2311. 2344. Oh, it's a big boy. Big boy's there somewhere. 2344. 3. 1746. 20 past 3. 1746. Number 2 in the clock. Oh, the Anderson hen, first time on the road this year. 6425 in at 20 to 2. 425. And number 1 in the clock at again 22. Oh, 1233. That's a quickie. 44700. 770. 44700. Right. So that's the ones that are in the clock. Now I'm going to intermittently go around the shed and try and find the rest of the little rascals. See how many we've got. Right, so my little hen up in there. We don't have favourites, is the 101 bar. Check. Next up, 1229, the old dark checker cock, 3-year-old. Can't keep himself at Maryport, but he's managed to come north today. So that's the Pennon Heights Big Smithy from Geordie. 1229, check, cock is home. So I can see that I think the first 2 bars home where my birds have been in the distance. So I can confirm the 1215 hen's home and the 4519 cock is home. Another 2. Check. Another 2. My 1747 little bar hen. Beauty. Let's listen for the... Oh, you're home now, darling. Wonderful, 1747. Look at this little roaster, beautiful little hen, tiny. 483. Oh, she's not letting off the ring. Oh boy, fella darling, there you go. 483. Check. I might have been wrong. Might have been 2334 and 102 that we're home for. So the 102 hen, sister to the 101 hen, is through the bat and home. Check. And in the words of my lovely treasurer and secretary, the delightful Will McCulloch, his words were, look at the fucking colour of that. How the fuck do you get to keep that? If that was doing debate, that'd have been deed. 1719. Beautiful check hen. That's my good buddy Doddy phoning to check in with me. 1719, checker hen. Bish bosh. You go back to your eggs, darling. 1719. We'll have to pause. I'm going to have to make a call to the Dodster.